In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert files in Google Drive to PDF. This is a practical skill that can be incredibly useful when you need to share documents easily and securely. Let's get started by opening up Google Drive. First, head over to your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your drive. Once you're in, you'll see a list of all your files organized neatly in folders or as separate items on your main screen. Now it's time to choose the file you want to convert. Simply find the document by scrolling through your files or by using the search bar at the top. Once located, go ahead and double-click on the file to open it. This will allow you to view your document in full and ensure it's the right one you wish to convert. It's important to take a quick moment to review the content here, just to make any last-minute adjustments before converting to PDF. Next, look for the File menu. In Google Drive, this is typically located at the top left corner of your screen, right next to the Google Docs or Sheets logo, depending on your type of file. Click on File to open a drop-down menu with various options. Here's where the magic happens. Hover over the Download option in this menu, and you'll see that it brings forth several format options. The option we're interested in is the PDF document PDF option, which you'll want to select. PDFs are great because they maintain the formatting of your document across different devices, so your text and images appear exactly as you intended. Once you've clicked on PDF document PDF, the download should automatically commence. You might notice a prompt from your browser asking you to confirm or to choose a download location. Most of the time, it will download to your default downloads folder. While the download process is typically quite fast, the time may vary based on your internet speed and the size of the file itself. And that's it. You've successfully converted a file from Google Drive into a PDF. Before you leave, make sure to check the downloaded PDF to ensure everything looks as expected. You can do this by navigating to your Downloads folder and opening the PDF file with your default PDF viewer. In just a few clicks, you've made your document more versatile and easily shareable. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with converting files to PDF using Google Drive. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. See you next time.